Last week I made this sidewalk snow removal, and I'm going to show you how it worked. In fact, it kind of failed on me, but not before it worked
Okay, we get to
and
try out
finished
the
its
snow
job. So
blade.
let's look at this and see how we can make it better.
Snow is. So we'll just start with this side.
I say this did extremely well. It was fantastic. And going through this snow, it just plowed it right off the sidewalks, no issue. And this was not just your regular snow, it was super heavy snow because it was right at freezing point, and the plow did not break at all from that. In fact, the plow, the wood, never broke, never creaked, never did anything. It worked absolutely perfect. So you're probably asking now, well, where is the problem then? Well, right up here, I decide to pull off to try to dump some of the snow because I'm coming to the property line. And when I back up into the grass, into the snow in the yard, I accidentally put it down, backed up, and it broke the welds of the rebar off. And that is why it ended up falling off. And it wasn't because of any of the snow, it was just because of what I did. Now, I figured out a way to solve this problem. I did get them re-welded back on. I'm working on making a breakaway hinge for if I do back up. But if I would just keep the plow up, I will not have this problem. That would actually all be solved. What I can do is change the angle of the holes on the snow blade, and that way if I do back up, it'll just go forward then without breaking the metal. It was right here where I was backing up that I ran into the problem, and I put the blade down, backed up, and it knocked the welds off because that's not where the strength was. If you look to the left right up here, you can see it actually laying in the grass or laying in the snow, and that is when I first noticed it too. Now I'm going to get the rest of the snow off the drive with the blade. This is the first season that we have used this blade. We actually got it in July, I think. We hadn't been able to use it much, but this was a perfect snow for it. I was real happy with how it cleaned off. I'm real happy with how we can add the sidewalk blade to it and get everything cleaned in just a few minutes. We could actually, now that I've gotten more used to it, we can clean off everything in less than a half an hour. That's pretty impressive compared to all the time we used to spend shoveling by hand. What do you think we could do to make this better? Or do you think we're at a good point right now? I think I'm always looking for more ideas, so be sure to give them to me. Take care and God bless.